All right, well, it's like 12, but I'm kind of restless and I kind of want to just try this out. So, I mean, I don't think it'll take that long. I hope not, because it's 12. But basically, I found this thing where, if anyone's ever seen the Motordyne test pipes for 350Zs, you'll get what I'm doing. And it's basically to reduce drone. But I don't know if they call them resonators, but it's literally just a pipe. So basically, I just cut this angle of a pipe, and I'm going to cap the end, and then weld it to my down pipe at the bottom, like as far up as possible. Because basically, the farther up, like, what it does is basically the exhaust goes into here. There's no restriction, but the exhaust goes into here, and it bounces off the end plate, goes back in, and then makes like a, it's basically, it creates a sound wave that cancels the drone. So I don't know if that's like the down rev. I don't know what it's going to affect, but I'm curious, and I just can't wait until tomorrow to try it, and I feel like it'll be better if I put it in this video anyways. But anyways, I cut this off. I'm going to grind it down. I'm going to like loop this or whatever. I'm going to try to get it as close anywhere I can underneath there, as long as there's still clearance, and weld it to the pipe. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Yeah, there's really not much other explaining to do, other than I have to go find a plate to weld to the end of this. I have to cut. I'm going to probably weld the plate to it and then cut it out afterwards and then grind it down, because again, I'm limited by the flux core welder. So again, it's not really going to look very pretty, but if it works, it works. I don't know. I'm curious to see. What do you guys think about this? I've never thought about doing this before, but I'm going to go grab my flap disc and get to work on this. Side note, I'm probably just going to put this in another video because it's probably going to be too long to put in one video. But, yeah, so welcome to the video. What's going on, guys? This is what we're doing today. So, flap disc time. First, I got to back this thing out because, yeah, I'm not going to back it all the way out because I don't need to, and no traffic's going to come through here, but give you guys another sound clip. I don't like it. Alright, now, unbolt the downpipe and unplug the wideband sensor, which is right here. How the hell do I unplug that? I forgot. Here. Yeah. Alright, well, gotta do that. Gotta get the wideband out of there. Gotta get the whole downpipe out. So, I'm gonna jack up the front. I don't even know. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Alright, so that's basically the setup right there. You do the thing. I ain't a pro. I saw one video of it and I was like, oh, I could probably make that. So now we find a plate. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that'll do. And I'll just cut off the edges and grind it down so it doesn't look as atrocious. Alright, so weighing out my options here. Right there is the only spot that I could put it, because basically wherever you put this will eliminate drone from there back. So say you put it way back there, it's not gonna, like, you're still gonna have drone in the cabin, maybe rasp, I don't know. I'm just curious as to how this will change the exhaust note. So yeah, I'm gonna friggin' trace it out. It's gonna go right here, ish. Yeah, as close to the cross member as I can get it, but I don't want it touching the resonator. Or I don't want it touching the flex pipe. So I'm gonna put it right here, and yeah. So I'll just go ahead and trace that out. There it goes like that. So now, okay, we'll just cut that off there. So that's my shape. I'm gonna go cut that out. All right, here you go. There's my thing. Boom. That's gonna fit just like that. Well, a little bit more. Yeah, they're right there. Right there. All right, that's how I'm gonna freaking weld it with the great flux core stuff. Alright, I have my cap welded on. I'm just going to show it because, dude, it's flux core. Like, I don't really know how good you can do with flux core. Yeah, I mean, it's a cap. It ain't going to leak. I'll tell you that much. Zero freaking pinholes. What I did is I welded it to the plate like you saw. Then I cut the corners off, ground it round, and then went back around it with the welder. You know, just in case, because I'm not too good with flux core, and honestly, I don't really think anyone is. So if you're welding with flux core and your welds don't look good, it's I don't think it's really your fault. The flux core welder is just no bueno. But I'm gonna go ahead and weld this onto that, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so there that goes. Not the most complicated thing ever, but I mean, I'm pretty decently got it. Like it's you can't really tell, but it's just not touching the freaking thing. So that won't be rattling. So that won't be rattling, and that's good. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it back in the car, I guess, and see what we get. All right, well, the downpipe is on. We officially have a, whatever the hell you want to call that, resonation pipe. I'll have to look that up, but it doesn't hang any lower than the exhaust does, so it won't be scraping it. The lowest point in the exhaust is actually the flex pipe, which is usually the case. I'll probably make some type of skid plate for that so it doesn't, like, you know, wear through. But that's that. That's on there. Looks kind of cool. Let's start it up. Gotta be quick with this. The freaking camera battery's dying. As you guys could tell in that side-by-side clip, this on the down rev, before it was like trumpet loud. Now it's like, it's still there, it's still loud. Obviously, it's straight pipe besides the skunk tube muffler, which I'm pretty sure makes it louder instead of quieter. Some mufflers are like blitz mufflers, they do that. They like it. A blitz muffler on an STI straight pipe will be way louder than just a straight pipe. It's just how, I can't explain the dynamics, but it could be doing that. So yeah, like I said, I will be doing a resonator on this, and I will be deleting the muffler. So we still have a ways to go with this. I ordered the freaking tips. Should be coming in Friday. I'm trying to get this whole exhaust sorted by Friday. Flux core or not, I know it's ugly, but I'll make sure it doesn't leak. Don't worry. I guess that's that. Resonator tube, just like the Motordyne test pipes on 350Z. So if you can make a VQ sound not raspy, I guarantee you can make any Honda sound not raspy. So, you know, probably took, what time is it? Gotta do this quick, battery's dying. 1:34. So this video took me an hour and a half with filming and, you know, just fabricating. But I mean, I think that sounds a lot better. I'll overlay another 2 clips. Here's before and here's after. And yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty dope. But anyways, I gotta freaking go home. It's 1:30. I gotta go home, shower. By the way, wearing my merch. Again, I don't know why Bonfire doesn't have an option to buy it like at cost or whatever. I just had to pay whatever everyone else was paying. Like I just want to buy like a sample so I can show you guys and then you can buy it. But anyways, link in the description. New merch is out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. A little bit of a weird one for me, but I mean, I literally just looked this up and I just saw someone like explaining what it does and I was like, huh, that'll probably help. If I can make a Honda not drone, I'm doing it. So I did it. Took me an hour and a half. And next is resonator and freaking muffler delete. So I basically just want a non-raspy Honda that has the turbo noise still. I don't want to have no turbo noise. I want to have the coming out the back, you know. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. If this video helped you out, if you liked it at all, give it a freaking like. Give it a dislike. I don't care. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.